When I started designing Swayful, I was really interested in the idea of a knot block. I kept sketching and playing with different shapes that looked like they were weaving over and under, and eventually this design began to take shape. My favorite part of this quilt is the border because it kind of looks like the outside edges are kind of like floating. It's one of my favorite things. The construction in this quilt is pretty straightforward, just 4 units per block. But as the blocks start coming together, you start to see the larger design kind of emerge, like you start seeing that weaving look. Seeing the testers' quilts come in was such a treat. It's always fun to see other quilters do with a pattern, so I'm including a couple images here of their quilts, just to give you a little look at how it can look, with different fabric choices. So your foreground on this quilt is fat quarter friendly, and it's a good one for deciding to showcase a certain collection. So if you wanted to make things easier for you, you could just go, I want to make it with this collection, and it would work really, really nicely. The quilt comes in 3 different sizes: a small crib quilt, a throw quilt, a larger size quilt. I've loved watching this one come together. I loved quilting it. It has just been such a treat, and I've been working on this one for so long, longer than it probably should have taken me. Anyway, pattern's now available. You can purchase it at meanderandmake.com or just head to my website southerncharmquilts.com and grab it there. I'm so excited to finally share it with you, and I can't wait to see what fabrics you choose and what your version looks like. Don't forget to share it with me. Thank you for watching.